no particular order, but I want to start with probably what I would consider to be our flagship. I mentioned and kind of signposted this in the beginning that this was a real transition for us, where rather than telling people, oh, you're not seeing the results you want, well, double up your dosage or triple your dosage in order to get results. Well, if products are really, really expensive to begin with, telling somebody to double their dosage or triple their dosage, the budget just couldn't support it. And also, the more you throw on the digestive system, the more it has to work. And in the end, you end up with a cost benefit analysis where just taking double or triple the dosage, wasn't actually bringing the same amount of results, because now the body had to work harder to absorb. This was a breakthrough for us. The introduction of a organic, pure source of ginger and turmeric that we were able to source from an island in Fiji. This is a unique source of ginger, a unique source of turmeric root. These were discovered in the jungles there. They haven't been through all the changes and the hybridization that happens throughout the world as we bring in ginger or turmeric from other places. This had sat there preserved and in its heirloom root state. And we're now able to then take those roots and hand plant, hand cultivate, process, and then bring those into the United States where we have access to them. Again, a pure organic source of heirloom ancient ginger root and ancient turmeric root. And what we found is, since these have been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine, we found they bring down inflammation. So they calm down your digestive system. They calm down the stomach. They calm down the intestines. They calm down the colon. They calm down the liver. They calm down the kidneys. All of these things that allows the body some tools to be able to detoxify and cleanse and purify itself. And that prepares the body for absorption of so many of the other beneficial and essential nutrients our bodies need for health. So we have this ginger and turmeric in capsules, right, that we can take every day. And these are 180 count capsules. So what we used to sell in a 60 count, you're able to now get 180 count for a similar price. We love the fact that we're able to make that available. We also have the ginger and turmeric in a culinary state. So look at these beautiful things, right? This is the ginger and the turmeric that you can put on your counter and be able to use in cooking. You can use to just make a tea. You can put it on, I mean, I love it on my scrambled eggs, but this is something that you can do to just add an increase of these amazing roots of health on a daily basis to whatever it is you're eating. And these have been used in exclusive restaurants around the world because of their potency, their flavor, their aroma. They're just a high quality. And so that you don't have to be buying these beautiful glass things every time, we have them also in the powdered refills. So you can just refill as you go along. Or if you just want these, you want to keep them up in the cupboard, you don't even need the glass. But that's what a wonderful thing to be able to have on your counter, and also can be used even as a gift, right? And what people, you're giving the gift of health, but an easy way to refill then with those. So we have that. On a daily basis, though, this is what we're taking for our supplements, because we can get so much more in. I mean, you're not having to necessarily deal with the stringent taste of ginger and turmeric, and you can get to a medicinal grade by swallowing it in capsules.